Hi and good evening and welcome to this video. My name is Obuna Hawi, and if this is your first time of coming to probably across my videos or like this, I share more insights. I share more things about how to build a business and also how to make money on the internet. So you are welcome to this video. Right now in this video today, I have something quite fascinating, quite interesting to share with you, and this is going to help you and also improve your online business and so your productivity. So the first thing you're going to do now is what this video is all about. It's about the chat GPT and its prompts. So something I discovered. I've been using it for a long time now, and I think I need to share it with you so that you can start using it. And I'm using my mobile phone to do this. I have my laptop with me, but in this particular video now, I'm going to be using my smartphone to show you how to access this ChatGPT prompt. Now, this prompt will help you have access to close to 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts that you can use for your marketing content and also anything at all you want to use it for. So basically, you already know what is ChatGPT now. So it's not a new thing in the market. It's just what people use to, you know, write content, write blog posts, do a lot of things in the internet, content management, calendars, and a lot of different things, on the internet. So I'm going to be using my smartphone now to be doing this, and also I'm going to be displaying it on the screen so that you can be seeing what I'm doing. The first thing you're going to do now is I'm going to open my smartphone right now. Then I'll click. First of all, you need to download an app. You need to install. I don't know for iOS devices. I'm using Android for this particular purposes. Okay, I'm going to click on my Kiwi browser. I have a Kiwi browser. If you don't have the Kiwi browser, go to your Play Store. If you go to Play Store, search for Kiwi browser. Okay, search for Kiwi browser like this. It's going to open up here. When you click on search for Kiwi browser, you can see my own is already here. So I'm going to click on open. So the reason for this thing is because these prompts that we want to have access to cannot be installed on our mobile phone, maybe probably the Chrome browser. So because Chrome browser does not support extensions, so this particular extension now we're going to install here support the Kiwi browser. So the first thing I'm going to do now is now you can see from my own screen now, this is the chat GPT, right? This is the home screen now. There's no extension here. So from here now you see the recent things I have started, or probably the same thing I've done in the past. You can see everything here now. Now here you can see how everything is showing here. So when I install this chat GPT extension right here, everything from this home screen is going to change. So let's get to it. The first thing I'm going to do now is to click on this three dots on the right corner of your screen, then click on extension. If you don't want to do it like this, you can just simply search for it on the internet. So what I'm going to do now is you can see everything now. This is my normal extension I have on my Kiwi browser because it supports the extensions you can install on your smartphone and start using it for anything. So there's no need for you to having probably your smartphone and it's not accessible with all those extensions and functionalities so that you can extend your browser functions or something like that. So the first thing I'm going to do, you click on here. They say go to open Chrome Web Store. But if this particular session is quite, taking a lot of time, there's another way to do these things. So what I'm going to do now is this is the Chrome extension homepage. Okay, homepage, I mean. So I'll click here. What I'm going to search here is I'm going to search for AIRPM. AIR, something like this. Just something like air. Search for it. Then it's going to appear. Let's wait for it. Let's search for it. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to search for PM. I think I got it. Yeah, so I got the ChatGPT extension. Now you can see here now, it has, I think, three extensions. Now we are going to install the one that we needed for this particular video now. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to install the first one, which is the AI PRM for ChatGPT. They have like three. They have for email, they have for Google. I don't know for those ones. I've not probably used them. So I'll first of all select the first one. Then when I select the first one, it's going to open up in a new another screen. Now you can see in over 1,000, over 1 million users. Now whenever I install this extension, now my home screen of my ChatGPT is going to absolutely change. And I'm using this extension on my my laptop and my desktop computers. Okay, and I'm going to install it on my phone here so that you can see how it works. The first I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on this place here. We have add to Chrome. Remember, I'm using Chrome browser, so it has the um, similarity with Chrome browser. So I'm going to click on add to Chrome to add it to my browser. So when I click here, it's going to ask me for permissions and everything. I'm going to click on OK because I want to add it. Then let me zoom in again. Okay. Now I have added the extension. Now look out the magic now. Now when you add your own extension, it's going to ask you for quite a number of different things like so that you can so that you can log in with your ChatGPT account. Normally you use your email now, so I don't know for what you normally use for your own. I normally use my Gmail account. So the reason for these things to automatically load up like this is because my Google account is already logged in my smartphone and also in this browser, which is the Kiwi browser, because I've been using it for a long time now. So you can see here now I have over free ChatGPT prompts I can use for anything. If I can even use that write book or write blog post. I'll show you one secret also in this video. So let me show you something I'm going to do now. Here, this is over. This is over 3,669 chat GPT for me for free. So I can easily use any one I needed for my content or for my business to boost my productivity over time. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you some little ways how to use it so that I can know what to do. So the first one, this is one said keyword strategies. It helps you to create keyword strategies for an SEO content plan. This how this particular prompt now helps you generate keyword strategies for anything you want to write about. So they have a lot of them. This one try to pass AI detection to text. It helps you also. Now from here you can see here we have the number of people who have used it, have viewed the probably used the prompt. This one is over 996,000 people have used it, and over it has over 706 comments, and people have loved it and liked it is about 498 people. So let me show another one. This is one is a human written 100% unique SEO optimized article. Now this one was I think it was 2 days ago, and it has over 4.7 million people who have used it, and over 3.6 million comment sections. Like people have commented, maybe probably they praise them. I don't want to even see what is happening on the comment section. But for example, you can click on the comment section and see probably somebody giving their own opinion or whatever thing they want to improve on the own, probably on the stuff like that. So let me show you how to go about this thing. So the first thing I'm going to see here is the heading. You can see my name here, Obono Hankwe. Please, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can show it to a lot of people. So I'm giving you something free of charge. You don't need to pay me for everything. So we have favorite. This favorite means that these are chat prompts that if you click on favorite, that they have this star here. If I click on start now, I have added it to my favorite. Now you can see added to favorite now prompt list. So anytime I wanted to get this prompt again, I can just easily come here and click on my favorite. I'll get it. So if I click on favorite now, automatically I will see the prompts. Look at the prompts here now. You can see now only one prompt now. So if I click on the ARPM, it's going to show me to upgrade. Okay. I don't want to upgrade my account. I love the free version. I know you love free version, but let's go ahead. Now we have the public. I have public here. The public means that it's accessible for everybody to use, like over 3,660 something chat GPT prompt for you to use. Now we have topic, we have activities, we have sort by, we have model. This place is very, very important because you need to understand how to use it. So the first thing you're going to do now is you click on topic. It has different types of topics you can use for your content. Maybe you're a copywriter, you're a DevOps, you can use to generate AI, marketing, operating system, productivity, SaaS, SEO, software application, software engineering. Maybe you are not sure. You click on I'm not sure. Maybe you're on Lodo. But thank God my followers are not on Lodo. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to click on leave it at all, just for basically anything. Then I'll click on activity. It's going to be select your own activity, whether accounting, backend development, call to action stuff, council, configuration management, all these things. Just choose the one. We have persuade people. We have positioning. We have product description. We have product. We have refund. We have research please search for what you really want. Okay, choose the one you wanted. So I use this content, I use this particular ChatGPT prompt now to do anything I want to use it for. So then coming down here, we have sort by. You can click by trending, top usage, top views, latest updates. You leave everything like this so that you give the latest one. So you have model, leave it out. You can see the model here. So if I click on this is the ChatGPT 4 browsing, ChatGPT code, plugins, choose anyone. I just leave everything like this. So then I'll come back here. Let me just select this particular ChatGPT prompt now. I've selected it. Okay. Now look at the magic now. I'm going to leave the output at that's normally English now. I don't know how to speak other language. I have the tune. Select it can be emotional. For me, I love it to be default, depending on what I'm trying to write. This particular video is just for demonstration purposes. Then this particular one, the writing style is poetic and default. Maybe if you upgrade, they're going to give you another options. Okay, but let's go into the business. So leave it at default. Then I'm going to say the keyword, what I want this thing to write for me. But this is an article. I want it to write an article for me that I probably use and post on my blog. I'll just say, see, how to position, okay, how to generate organic leads for my affiliate marketing business. This is just what I wanted to um ask the team to do for me. For your own, it can spice it a little bit. Maybe give it a like target factors like maybe gender based, maybe something like that. You can just say how to generate organic traffic for female, for male, for children, for adults. Anything. You can just give your own command. Anything. There's a lot of it aside there. You can just entice your own, make it any bit something. Then if you are good with that, just click on this green button. Bam, you leave it, then the magic will start happening. So this is how to use it. It's very, very simple. It's very, very easy to do. One thing about this ChatGPT now is that every content it is generating for you is going to be saving in your ChatGPT account. So even though you switch, maybe you switch your account from you log in on a laptop version here, this same thing you did here is going to be saved. You're going to see it on your laptop. Okay, so it's not going to go anywhere. So the ChatGPT machine, that's the AIPRM machine, is going to generate these content ideas for you. So it is very easy to do. Just go ahead and give it a try. And if you love this video, give it a thumbs up and also share it to a lot of people so that people can learn and see how to install this ChatGPT prompt on their smartphone.